I don't even want to move around. I'm gonna stay in this one spot. Thank you, Travel Beauty. I see you.
Uh,
Thank you, thank you. I'm at work, guys. That's why, I'm at work. I'm outside now enjoying the view. This is Bigo's rising star right here. Tweety Bird. She's the new rising star of Bigo. The new star.
absolutely. Uh,
She's the new star, y'all.
Check me out. Follow.
She's the new rising star of Bigo. So Tweety Bird, I'm on my lunch break, so I'm just chilling right now. Out,
Yeah.
outside trying to get some fresh air. Thank you, Sauce. I see you. So I got to do the disclaimer. Are you okay? Are you okay with being on YouTube? You okay with that? I had to double check.
Yeah, I forgot to just put me on YouTube. Yeah, just put me
I have
on.
to make sure you're okay. This is
It's
a disclaimer. I have to make sure you're okay with being on YouTube.
oh, hey, you.
All right, all right. I'm just
Yeah, I'm
I'm just
cool.
double checking.
YouTube.
Thank you,
YouTube.
Source. I charged up my phone and everything. I was like, I gotta make sure I got enough power.
Yeah. Yeah, power. You just need to signal.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to the live. All right, y'all. She about to make her. She about to make her quick comeback.
Tell me.
She about to make the quick comeback.
I got jokes. So I'm done with this. What type of comeback, Cliff? You funny.
See, this is like half of the moolah experience. Cause the full moolah experience is the music and all that stuff. But since I'm at work, I
Oh, yeah.
can't do all the extra stuff.
DJing.
Yeah, y'all. She's smiling. You gotta drop a few beans on her for the smile. You
I
gotta drop her.
want all your
Come
beans,
on,
yeah.
y'all. Y'all
I
got
want
her
all your
smiling. You
beans.
gotta drop a bean.
To be
Just
very
drop one
transparent.
bean on her for the smile, y'all. For the one time.
I want Mr. Wonderful.
Come on, Mr. Wonderful. Drop one bean on her for the one time for the smile. Come on, Mr. Wonderful.
I'm gonna beans.
One bean ain't gonna hurt your pocket. You know.
I want all your beans, Mr. Wonderful.
One time for the one time, y'all.
Mm.
Hello.
Up to my party's NPC. Mr. Wonderful.
It's all good, Mr. Wonderful. It happens to everybody.
Um, but then we road. Yeah. Okay, you been on the road. What you talking about? No, you got beans. No, you can produce beans.
All right,
Um,
we are at the 3 minutes. She's
and
gonna
give
give me
me a
my
nice
first L
reminder.
of the month. She gonna tell y'all.
Mm-hmm. And you just like murdering me on this PK.
You know, this is a BYOB. This is a little something.
Oh, no, you my buddy. I'm supposed to bring you to this one.
You said I murdered you? No, not really.
Yeah, pretty much. If you added with the other before you got out of this.
All right, 2 minutes, y'all. Get ready for the snipe game she about to put down right now. The snipe, the snipe game, y'all. She may do it to me. I don't know.
No.
She got those hidden gifters out there.
No, I don't. I know Texas Mr. Wonderful, but you saying my gifters don't got the money. Like they don't got the beans.
She got those hidden gifters out there that she ain't telling me about.
I know. It's really sad out here. Really fucking sad over here. I'm just joking. I got some people, they're just not around.
Mm.
They in your shit.
This is it, y'all. She about to do it to me.
That's my plan. You
Snipe game
embarrassing
in
me.
effect.
You
Snipe game in effect, y'all.
embarrassing me. Just let me lose, like, in peace.
You said in peace.
Yeah. On with your little funky crown.
It's okay. After this, I'm gonna uh, get something to drink, and I'm going back inside, get some water or something. 20 seconds. 20, yeah, 20 seconds. I'm counting. Here we go.
You're funny as hell. Like, I'm about to just, let's just end it already. Stop counting down, Bigo. It's over.
Oh, man. I know you got snipers, but it's okay.
Now, once I got
You
bots in
took
my room. Let's
you
get
took
it.
it
Come
easy on me. I know you took it easy on me.
on. Not real good. Let's finish this.
Make sure you get your screenshot, all right?
Look at that.